Hey guys, this one's pretty straightforward. It's called flip it, and all you're going to be doing is drawing reflections over the dotted lines. Okay? So imagine this shape getting flipped over this dotted line, right? This dotted line right here. Um, so I don't want to give really. I mean, I think you guys have this. I'm confident. If we just look at number 2, for example, just remember, if we were to imagine this as a reflection, we would be bending this paper over right on this line, right? So if this were to bend over, this side would match up with this side, right? And this side would match up with this side, okay? So what I sometimes do is when I look at this, I see this dot, which is this far away from my line. So the opposite would be to go to here, right? Now, moving this direction gets me closer to this edge. I mean, right up to the edge, right? So again, if that line would line up with this line, then I'd have to then move this over that way, right? And so you can kind of see now if I go 1, 2 spots away, I'm all the way in the opposite corner. So when I go there on this one, I'm going 2 steps down to this opposite corner. So what I have here is these 2 lines. Now I got 2 going that way, so now I got to go 2 this way. And again, now I'm moving closer to my dotted line. So again, if I want to imagine that jump across, now I'm connecting it here, and then I can keep going. But just remember, when you make these reflections, think about where these dots are, where these lines are in relation to the dotted line, but also the edges. This line is going to line up with that line, and then this line will line up with this one. So then obviously if I'm going to finish this one off, since we're this close, it'll look like that, right? That looks like a reflection to me. If I were to fold it over, those would line up. So take your time. Reflections. Go for it.